Welcome back to Home Decor Hub, a beautifully decorated room with simple wooden decoration. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special treat for you. We are going to share some easy and affordable wooden decoration ideas that can instantly transform your space. So let's get started. Rustic wooden shelves. One of the easiest way to incorporate wooden elements into your decor is by adding rustic wooden shelves. They not only provide functionality but also give a natural and earthy vibe to your space. Install wooden floating shelves on your walls and display your favorite books, plants or decorative items. You can even DIY your own shelves using reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly touch. Wooden wall art. Wooden wall art is another fantastic way to bring the beauty of wood into your space. Look for wooden wall hangings, a sculpture that match your style and preference. They can be incredibly curved pieces or simple geometric design. Wooden wall art adds texture and visual interest to your walls, making them a focal point of the room. Wooden plants stands. Bringing the outdoor in is always a great idea, and wooden plant stand can also be help you to do just that. Invest in or DIY your own wooden plants stand to showcase your indoor plants. These height and dimension to your greenery, making them stand out in your space. You can choose simple design or go for more intricate and sculpture option. Wooden decorative trays. Wooden decorative trays are both functional and stylish. They serve as versatile decor pieces that can be used to display candles, vases, or other decorative items. Choose wooden trays in various shapes and sizes to suit your needs, whether you opt for a rustic, distressed look or a sleek and polished finish. Wooden trays add a touch of elegance and organizations to any room. That's it for today's video on easy wooden decoration ideas. We hope you find these suggestions helpful and inspiring for your own space. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos and content. See you next time.